Affirm I Now Pay Later Review 2025 Pros and Cons Honest and Unbiased. Most people get this wrong, but by now, pay later isn't free money, and Affirm proves that in 2025. If you've seen Affirm at checkout on Amazon, Walmart, or travel sites, this review will help you understand exactly how it works and whether it's worth using. Affirm is a buy now, pay later service that lets you split purchases into fixed monthly payments. Unlike some competitors, Affirm is upfront about costs. Before you confirm, you see the total amount you'll pay, the interest rate if applicable, and the exact payment schedule. No surprises later. Here's how it works step by step. You choose Affirm at checkout, get approved in seconds, select a repayment plan, and make payments through the app or auto pay. Loan terms usually range from 3 to 36 months, depending on the purchase amount and merchant. One major pro is transparency. The surprising truth is many users prefer Affirm because there are no late fees. If you miss a payment, interest doesn't suddenly spike. Affirm also reports some loans to credit bureaus, which can help build credit if you pay on time. However, you won't believe what happens next if you ignore the downside. Some Affirm loans carry interest rates as high as traditional credit cards, especially for longer terms. It's also easy to overspend psychologically when payments feel small. Another con is approval variability. Even with good credit, not every purchase gets 0% interest. The app itself is clean and easy to use, but customer support response times can be inconsistent. In conclusion, Affirm is best for planned purchases you already budgeted for, not impulse spending. Used responsibly, it's a flexible financing tool with clear terms. Used carelessly, it can quietly become expensive debt. Key is discipline and reading every checkout screen carefully.